Integration testing best practices revolve around concentrating on the interaction of components. Integration tests should be traced to the high-level design, including exercising all the arcs on every sequence diagram, covering every sequence diagram in the high-level design. All the modules, all the network interfaces, all the message types, all the data fields. The idea is, assuming unit testing has found everything unit testing is likely to find, how can you additionally stress the interactions among components to make sure that, sure, the units each do what they want to do, but when you put them together, they actually still satisfy all the aspects of the high-level design. There are two main integration testing pitfalls. First, system testing alone misses system integration edge cases. Sometimes a misbehaving system appears to work just fine, but the internal logic isn't quite right, and there's some specific edge case situation that it will not handle as intended because it was just getting lucky in the common case. Also, it can be difficult to exercise off-nominal sequence diagrams at a system level. There are some tests which are very difficult to reproduce with a physical system or downright dangerous. Integration testing helps you cover all the fine-grained interactions to make sure not only is the system working, but it's working the way you thought it was supposed to be working. From a traceability point of view, if you skip the high-level design, there's nothing to trace your integration test to, so you're just sort of guessing what things are supposed to do. And if you don't do integration testing, there's no way to really know whether the system is behaving as intended or not.